This video recipe is another in my series of how to jazz up a $5 Aldi 16-inch pizza to make it taste like a $20 custom pizza. This is great for a quick dinner and also an idea for birthday parties and get-togethers where you can save money and customize the pizza the way you want. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a makeover buffalo pizza. Stay tuned. If you missed my first Aldi makeover pizza, I will leave a link here and in the Show More section below this video. I think it is a great deal for $5 for an Aldi 16-inch cheese pizza. It already has the crust, a little seasoning, and the cheese. So why not build upon that and make it an awesome custom pizza? Tonight I am making a buffalo pizza. You can make this as easy or as complicated as you like. I didn't have any leftover chicken, so I marinated some chicken fillets in some Frank's hot sauce and a little buttermilk. Now I'm grilling the chicken fillets, letting them rest a little, and then cutting into strips. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this Aldi pizza makeover below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. Now I'm adding in a little of the hot sauce in with the chicken strips and giving it a gentle toss and making sure all the chicken is coated. I have my oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. I prepped my vegetables, which include some sliced bell peppers, celery, and onions. First, I'm sprinkling the pizza with some garlic powder. Next, I'm drizzling on some ranch dressing. Oh yeah, this is going to add a lot of flavor. On go the onions, the bell peppers, the hot chicken strips, and we have to have some celery. This is some crumbled blue cheese. I'm not going to put a whole lot on, but enough that you get a burst of blue cheese every now and then. Another light drizzle of ranch dressing, and a good squeeze of hot sauce. And to glue it all together, a little grated mozzarella cheese on top. This is going into a 425 degree preheated oven on the center rack for 13 to 15 minutes. My family loved all the buffalo chicken flavors in this pizza. You can use the veggies that you like and your favorite hot sauce. I hope this gives you some ideas of what you can do on a budget and for those busy weekday nights. If you have any ideas of how you would jazz up a pizza, please share them in the comment section below. I would love to hear your ideas, and maybe I will give them a try. I hope you give this jazzed up buffalo chicken pizza a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!